Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is AryanOrigami, and today I am very happy to announce that we have completed 70 subscribers, and you all know that our next goal is to complete 100 subscribers. And today I am going to teach you how to fold an origami YouTube logo, which is right here. So let's get started. So to fold this we need a red colored paper, which is right here, which is white on the back side. So let's get started. What we have to do is first fold in half diagonally. Crease well. Always use a bright paper for such logos. Unfold. Again fold in half. Unfold. Now fold this edge to this edge to the center. Again fold this edge to the center. Do this to the all four sides. After doing this, what we have to do is take one edge. I am taking this one, and what we have to do is fold this till this line. On the other side also we have to do the same fold. This is a rabbit ear fold. Unfold. Now fold this right here, and just fold this on both sides, here also and here also, and now fold it in half, as you can see here. So it will look like this. Now unfold and mountain fold this crease that we made right now and just squash it. So it will look like this. Now take this and fold it right here. It will look like this, and just squash it, just fold it inside. See? Now what we have to do is unfold and just fold it so that it crosses this half, and just 1 centimeter. It should just extend 1 centimeter from this half to here. So I am folding, this is the half, right? So I am folding this more than just 1 centimeter more than the half, so that it matches. Just see to it that this comes in the center. And we are almost done. What we have to do now is just take it up and fold this edge till here. I am folding that. Crease well. And just slide here. And on the other side we have to do the same fold. it will look like this. Now what we have to do is fold the edges so that it takes a shape. So I am folding. The back side should be up. Fold all the 4 corners on the back side. Crease these corners well as they are double layered. And then this is the last corner of this logo, and we are done folding the corners. Now it will look like this. And our YouTube logo is ready. So if you liked the video, please comment down below. If you want me to do any other origami objects, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.